Hello and welcome to Mudhal Paatham. In today's video, we will show you some easy yoga poses you can do with your children during the holiday season. Yoga is a great way to bond with your kids while also promoting relaxation and mindfulness. So, let's get started. The first pose we will start with is the child's pose. Have your child sit on their knees and then fold forward, reaching their arms out in front of them. Their forehead should rest on the mat or a cushion. This pose is great for stretching the back, hips, and thighs, and it helps to calm the mind. Next up, we have the cat and cow pose. Have your child come onto all fours with their hands under their shoulders and knees under their hips. On an inhale, have them arch their back, lift their head, and drop their belly towards the ground, cow pose. On an exhale, have them round their spine, tuck their chin, and lift their belly towards the ceiling, cat pose. This pose helps to stretch the spine and improve mobility. The third pose we will show you is the tree pose. Have your child stand up straight with their feet hip-width apart. Then, have them lift one foot and place the sole of their foot on the inside of their opposite thigh. Encourage them to balance on one foot while keeping their hands in a prayer position. This pose helps to improve balance and focus. Finally, we have the warrior two pose. Have your child stand with their feet about 3 to 4 feet apart and turn their right foot out to the side. Then, have them bend their right knee and raise their arms up to shoulder height with palms facing down. This pose helps to strengthen the legs and improve balance. And that's it. Those are some easy yoga poses you can do with your children during the holiday season. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the time together. Thank you for watching Mudhal Paatham, and we will see you next time.